Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we have a nice 2018 350 SLX offered by Sea Ray. This is a brokerage boat. It's an absolutely wonderful boat. Has about 60 hours on it. It's in great shape. If you come inside here, the cockpit area, it's got the nice wraparound seating. You can see this seat swivels and moves back and forth. It's got flip-up bolsters, which is nice. This also comes with a grill. You got your sink, all your stuff for entertaining, your refrigerator. As you can see here, there's a nice spacious head. It's all lined with teak flooring. They have the upgraded countertop and sink in there as well. As you can see throughout the entire cockpit and bow area, it's got the nice cockpit teak flooring. There's a table that goes in the cockpit, nice big triangle table. There's a nice resting area in here, which opens up. Nice little lounger in there. Again, nice spacious bow here in the 350 SLX. This one has a lot of upgrades. It has a spotlight. It has black bottom paint. It also has the isinglass that goes around the entire thing. It's a $6,000+ option. Underwater lights were added to it. Lots of extras, boat fender clips, and the whole nine. So again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out and check out this boat today.